I'm Joan. Today we are in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Unlike Hong Kong, South Africa is a big country with lots of space. Many people are lucky enough to live in suburbs where they can have their own garden. They can bring a piece of nature into their own space. Welcome to my garden. It's full of trees like a small forest. Most people have their own tanks to catch the rainwater. The rainfall is unreliable here and water is precious. Grass doesn't grow under the trees and the soil is dry and sandy. Colour is brought into this garden by the bright red bougainvillea and the gentle pink climbing hibiscus. Under the trees, this garden has shady corners and seats where one can sit and enjoy nature. This is Jill's garden. She likes to plant grass and grow flowers. She has planted colourful annuals in this flower bed. Jill is a keen gardener. She has her own small area where she makes compost to fertilize her plants and a garden shed where she keeps all her gardening tools. There are lush green grenadilla vines growing here. This fruit is very tasty in puddings and drinks. Heather lives in a retirement village. The elderly people who live here spend a lot of time making small, neat gardens. They like to use indigenous plants because they don't need as much water or work. Some like to plant in pots. Pot plants can make a beautiful display both inside and outside your home. This lemon tree is the proud focus of this garden. Suburban gardeners rely on garden centres for their supplies. This is a large national chain that is always busy. They sell not only colourful plants, but also fertiliser, plant food, garden accessories, and anything else you may need to create a beautiful garden. Other garden centres are more picturesque. At this one, you can not only buy plants, you can also relax in the beautiful surroundings with a cup of tea or coffee while the children play on the climbing frame. The shop sells a large variety of tempting goods. They have everything you could possibly want to bring a world of nature into your home.